Harri.
Hey, Erwin. How you doing, buddy?
Hey,
how you doing?
what's going on? Good. God,
man.
man. It's good to see you guys. Yeah, it's good, man. You lost some weight.
I lost not much weight.
John, man, taking the plunge.
I know.
Man, it's good for you. I'm happy for you, man.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. You know, when you find this right, you find this right. So it just makes sense.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, where's Mary? Is she around here?
Mary and I are having complications.
Oh, sorry, man. I didn't know.
Nah, it's all right. She ain't gonna be joining me for the wedding.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a shame. I had no idea.
It's all right. Everything's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Well, hopefully y'all work it out. Or,
Yeah.
you know.
Hey, excuse me, guys. I gotta take this. Yeah.
Hope Erwin's okay. He doesn't look too good.
Yeah, probably has something to do with his divorce. Yeah, he and Mary got divorced like 4 months ago, and it was brutal. But he feels awkward that you brought it up.
Why didn't you tell me you got divorced?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was your secretary and had to tell you every time someone got divorced or died.
You died?
Yeah, Mike died last year in Mountain Climbing, Colorado. You didn't know that?
No!
Dude, you really need to get on social media.
I mean, I'll look into that, but I gotta go apologize to Erwin. I mean, he must think I'm just selfish or just flat out stupid.
Nah, you're not selfish.
Thanks.
啱我識咗啦，你唔使擔心啦。得，走咗啦，好耐啦，唔好理佢。我明白，知道啦，明白。得啦，佢走唔到啦，我要搞掂啦，大佬，你唔使擔心。我明白。
Here. We got a problem.
What is it?
Okay, so I went to go apologize to Erwin, and when I was in there, he was on the phone, speaking in Chinese.
Huh. I thought Erwin was from Ohio.
No. Okay. But remember that summer I spent in China?
Yeah?
So I was able to pick out a little bit of their language. So, what I could understand was words like wife, kill, and head boss. Do you know what this means?
Holy shit. His wife killed his boss.
What? No. He's obviously traumatized by the divorce, and he's decided to join the mafia.
Right, but you said he was speaking Chinese.
Well, yeah, so nobody would know of his mafia duties.
Chinese gangs aren't called mafia.
Dude, that's just racist. Anybody can be part of the mafia.
No. Chinese gangs are called triads, not mafia.
Do you realize how stupid that sounds?
But I just...
It is
something
definitely
like,
a stupid...
Okay. Let's just say he's part of a gang. What do we do? How do we handle this?
Well, from the conversation that I heard, it sounds like he's doing something drastic to his wife.
Ex-wife.
Stay focused. What we need to do, though, is take matters into our own hands. We need to prepare for a full-on investigation. Okay, so that's going to start off...
Absolutely, I'm in.
What?
I'm in, let's do this.
Okay, well, let's go home and prepare for the full investigation.
Dude, he's leaving.
Okay, well, let's get going.
Hi guys, what are you two up to?
Oh, well, we were
gonna take off because John isn't feeling well.
Oh no, babe, what's wrong?
Diarrhea. I got bad diarrhea.
And so, what's your excuse, Harri?
I have diarrhea too. Yes, I caught it from him.
Caught it?
Yeah, see, what happened was he had diarrhea, and I caught it, and now
Oh, okay, enough. I don't care why you're lying to leave early. Just stop it though, right?
Seriously, boys, we're going back to our table and we will see you two there shortly.
So bail?
Oh, totally bail. First I gotta go to the bathroom.
Why?
Dude, I got diarrhea. I think you call dibs, but you definitely saw me wearing a
I
beanie.
saw you wearing the beanie, but you gotta call dibs if you want to be the only one wearing it.
No, you don't have to call dibs. Just give me the beanie. Come on.
Just
give me Give me the beanie. See? Not that hard. Anyways. Yeah, so I got some like flashlights, I got binoculars. Yeah. What'd you bring?
I got some stuff, that's good. I got some stuff too.
Alright. Right here. What do we have here? That's a snack.
Yeah, no, it's got a blanket.
Yeah.
It's gonna get cold later for sure.
Smart.
I got
Whoa!
yeah. What?
What the fuck is that?
It's a sword.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Self-defense, you gotta be prepared for these things.
Alright.
Which is why I also brought
Oh!
guns.
What the fuck?
What's wrong?
Guns?
Yes.
Where did you even get guns?
From Nick.
Nick?
Yeah, my neighbor.
What?
He's standing right there. Wow!
Fuck. And why the fuck is he here?
He used to be a private eye. He could help us.
You ever seen the streets at night? They tell you stories you wouldn't believe. You wouldn't believe how the city has changed over the years. You and your fairy tale fantasies. I used to be like you. All wide-eyed and innocent. Friend should have caught her help back in the fall of 15.
Wait. 3 years? 3 years and he's already retired?
You haven't seen that scene, rookie.
Rookie? You're a fucking rookie.
I'll fuck you, rookie.
What?
Hey, come on, he's cracked some cases.
He's cracked some cases? Like how many?
Enough.
Enough.
Enough. See, he's perfect.
Whatever, let's just stay focused. We need to find Erwin. I've come up with a couple of ways I think we can track him down. First off, he's a very...
I got him.
What?
Yeah, I found him. Doing fun.
What? How?
In a tracking device.
No. Snapchat. See, we can track where he goes.
Oh, well... Where is he?
He's at the hardware store, see?
Huh. Alright, well, let's go see what he's up to.
And send this bastard to hell.
No, dude. We're just trying to find him.
Pussies.
Dude, this is fucking boring.
We have to monitor his every movement. We need to stay 2 steps ahead of him.
I get that. I'm just hungry. Did you bring anything to eat?
No. You have a bag full of knives and guns? You asked me for a fucking snack?
Just curious. What about you? You got anything?
Justice is my nourishment.
God, you're weird.
I was thinking like chips or crackers. Oh, sweet.
Guys, now is not the time for snacks and shit. Whatever. Oh shit, here he is. He's coming out right now.
Where's it going?
I don't know. Swallow your food. Looks like he's turning the corner. We need further recon. Alright, here, you come with me. Okay, you just stay here, watch the car or something.
Okay, I see golf clubs, a baby carriage, some groceries, and a
Black car.
that's way worse.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. He's in way too deep.
What do we do now?
Well, I don't know, we gotta follow his every move. We gotta reassess the situation as well.
Okay, well, what about his wife? You think she's okay still?
I mean, she's still alive. We can still save her. I mean, we can still save Erwin, too.
You know he's gone, right? Yeah, he left a few minutes ago.
Why didn't you say anything?
I don't know, it seemed like you were on a roll.
God damn it, Harry, now we don't know where the hell he is. He could be traveling to a different state, a country.
No, I got him. Yep.
Son of a bitch, how did you...
Dude, you need to get on social media.
Dude, where is he?
He's on East 16th Street. It's about 5 minutes away.
East 16th?
16.
East
16.
East Street, fuck it. What? Let's just go. What? John? Harry? Is that you?
No.
Freeze, honkies!
You two are under arrest for breaking and entering, conspiracy to commit murder.
Whoa, yo, this is a misunderstanding. This is a misunderstanding.
Oh, your car is filthy.
Well, I don't think so, boys.
Nick?
What?
You two are some of the dumbest criminals I have ever seen.
What are you talking about? You were helping us.
Was I? Why did you run around with all these little guns and matching beanies?
Fuck you, these beanies are awesome.
God damn it.
You come out of a house that isn't yours.
I hate this guy.
I do too now.
You bastards make me sick.
That seemed excessive.
Take him away. Come on, please.
That seems excessive.
Thanks.
No. Officer, can you let me back in just real quick?
What is it now?
I got diarrhea.